Check out this Kia 2020 Forte EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth and climate controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.